In this video, you'll learn how to use the split screen feature on your Google Pixel 3, 3a or 4. This functionality allows you to run two applications simultaneously, enhancing your multitasking capabilities. Start by unlocking your Pixel phone and opening the first app you wish to use. Once the app is open, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold to access the recent apps interface. This screen will display all the applications currently running on your device. Ensure that both apps you plan to use are visible in this view, as this is crucial for enabling split screen mode. Next, locate the app icon at the top of the preview card for the first app. Tap on this icon to reveal a menu of options. From the list that appears, select the option labeled split screen. Once you choose this, the app will automatically position itself in the top half of the screen, indicating that split screen mode is now activated. After the first app is set in place, you will see a list of available applications appear below. Choose the second app you want to use by tapping on it. This action will place the second app in the bottom half of the screen, allowing you to view and interact with both applications at the same time. To adjust the size of each app, simply drag the divider line that separates the two. This allows you to customize how much screen space each application occupies. You can easily use both apps simultaneously, which can significantly improve your productivity. If you wish to switch to a different app or exit the split screen mode, simply tap the Recent Apps button again and choose your next action. Your Google Pixel now supports using split screen, providing a more efficient way to multitask. Remember, depending on the size of the apps and your device's performance, running two applications may affect overall responsiveness. Ensure that you manage your apps effectively to maintain optimal performance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.